So hey guys, after a long time chasing this micro RC drift car, I finally got it today. So guys, we have here the K969 series from WLTOYS. So why did I choose this drift car? It's because of the 128 scale where you can drift at home. It's raining outside, you can't go out. What else you need? A micro RC drift car. Well, this is the one for you. And as well, for you to learn about drifting for beginners, this is the tool right here. This is the key. You learn from here before you proceed to buying the high-end models, high-end RC drift cars. So let's not further ado and go to the unboxing. So guys, let's continue to unbox this further so you guys can enjoy the unboxing a bit. So as you can see, there's a cable tie here. So that pretty much. So okay, we got it there. This is a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. And let's go to the car itself. So it's a cable tie there. Another one there. Let's hold the car so it doesn't drop. Okay, we have it here, guys. So let's remove this wrap. Wow, that is just stunning. So what comes in a box? You get a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, which comes with a steering trim and a throttle trim antenna, and it is powered by a AA battery, 4 of them. Okay, power button is here. Alright, the car, I'll begin in a while. So you get a manual about the car, assembly and disassembly, complete parts and all that setup. You get a charger as well. I was expecting to get a plug actually, but I got a USB type, which is not too bad actually. And you get a motor shaft and 3 types of reduction gear. You know, you can just replace them once they get in bad shape or anything to upkeep your motor and your performance, which is a good touch actually. And let's proceed to the car itself. So guys, coming to the car, it's the size of my palm. Alright, you have a Porsche sticker there, and then it comes with Fast and Furious, nice plastic tires for drifting, excellent for drifting actually. You can get the metal ones online actually, it has a better touch I guess. And pretty much a lot of stickers, a lot of it. So much of decal on it.
One eternity later.
So guys, this is what you get once you pop up the hood. You get an aluminium brush chassis for good heat dissipation, a brush motors, which is good. Nowadays RC runs it most of the time with brush motors. They are good, they are efficient, they can run longer time. So yeah, and you have to be careful with your fingertips when you're carrying the car. Please do not put your hand below near the motor because the motor gets very hot. So it comes with a JST connector. for mostly to recharge battery. 7.4 volt battery with 400 milliamps, which is good. You can run a bigger milliamp, up to you all. Same voltage here. It comes with independent suspension, good ground clearance, good for drifting, plastic tires as I mentioned. 4-wheel system with central shaft going to the front and rear. This should distribute power equally both sides. And then you get 30 minutes of running time, plus minus 20 minutes. I would recommend you all to get an extra battery, maybe bigger milliamps, it's up to you all. And then it's all in one electronic speed controller and receiver built in. So after this, what else guys? Let's get and see what's the performance of this.
You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
So in terms of performance guys, this is a really good RC car. So for you to actually learn drifting for beginners, for before you actually go into the expensive drifting lines, this is where you should start. And let me demonstrate how does the steering trim and throttle trim works. Once you press the steering trim, you can see the wheels will be tilting on the left, and you should keep pressing until you hear the sound as just now. If you heard the sound, you know the wheels are aligned. The same thing goes with the throttle. So now the wheels are moving. So you keep clicking till you hear the sound, then you know your car is actually ready to run. So that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you guys. Peace out.